Hello everyone, in this video will update my research progress from last week. Last week I spent a little more time to focus on the OSTEAM data analysis, which is a project we collaborate with other department, and based on their proposed questions, and they want to find what's the relationship with the education rates, income, and some other informations to the year of diagnosis. First, we tried to use some other method, which is the random forest and the fully connected CNN model. Both these two methods have very low prediction rate, which is only about 18% accurate rate. Then we tried to figure out what's the issue. So I found one problem, which is the coefficient is very low. So this is the Pearson correlationship coefficient matrix we got from the data. So this is kind of static model, which is try to figure out what's the relationship between two attributes, and what's the coefficient relationship between the feature and target. So as you can see here, so only the medical and the mental data has some relationship with each other, but the other attributes and attributes with target has a very low coefficient. So maybe this is the reason why we cannot learn from the data. So also I found that, so for example, the feature attributes are category data, and the target is the numerical data. So maybe this is kind of reason why we cannot learn from these data sets. Since we don't have the meeting which other collaborator in this week, so maybe our at KV can report this issue to them. And second is, so last week we talked about the how to update the execution time based on our workflow configuration file. So this is the first round we get in our workflow configuration file. So we'll use the diagnosis recommendation workflow as an example. As you can see here, we have every task is only run in one type of virtual machine. So this is the second run time. So I just managed to assign the extraction task into the TLU latch. As you can see here, the total execution time for the task is 2, but we can have the number of the current runtime is 1. But for the other task, we have the 2 runtime for the corresponding virtual machine type. So as you can see here, we can get the execution time updated based on this kind of formula, which is we can get the execution time for this task with this virtual machine type is equal to the current execution time of this virtual machine type plus by the previous runtime multiplied by the average task execution time. Maybe this terminal is much more sensitive. Divided by the previous runtime plus 1. So this is updated execution time for this task. So for the code part, I'm still working on the integration for this part. I try to I can give you some update. So I will create a new construct for the workflow planner, so which will give the path of the workflow configuration file. So this work is It's in the middle, it's in the processing, and hopefully it can be finished as soon as possible. Thank you.